Good evening, boys, and welcome to your math class. This is your teacher Khalil, and we are going to continue with our Unit 1, Numbers to 100. Today we are going to start Lesson 1.3, Comparing and Ordering Numbers. That is in your learner's book, page number 23 to 27. So in this lesson, we are going to learn compare and order numbers, make sequence of numbers, find out how to say and use ordinal numbers. So look at this numbers. 36 is more than 24, so there are more marbles in the box of 36 marbles than in the bag of 24 marbles. So as you know that 36 is bigger than 24, so in that box we can add more marbles, and automatically in 24 in the bag of 24 the marbles are going to be less than 36. Show 29, 65 and 82 in this number line. So we are going to make a guess where it will be 29. 29 is less than 30, so it will be here 29. 65 more than 60 and less than 70, it will come here in the middle of 60 and 70 will be 65. 82, after 80 we are going to put it down that here it is going to be 82. You can write the numbers as well. 29, then we have 65, and here it is going to be 82. Question number 2, use what you know about ordinal numbers to find each monster to start at the bus stop. Draw a ring around second monster, draw a line under the sixth monster, tick the third monster. So before we are going to start, I want you people to know what is ordinal numbers. So cardinal and ordinal numbers. So what are cardinal numbers? We use cardinal numbers to indicate quantity. They are used in counting. Like in the first question, we were talking about that 36 is more than 24, so it is going to have more quantity. Okay, cardinal numbers, we write them when we are going to write cardinal numbers, we are going to write them in words. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and so on. Cardinal numbers. Write the following cardinal numbers. We have 24, 56, 100, 33, 98, and 65. So moving on. 24. TWENTY 24. These are the numbers that we are going to write them in words. So let's talk about ordinal numbers. Ordinal numbers are used to indicate positions in relation to other numbers. 1, first, second, and third. The snail won the race. He was the first one to eat a lettuce. First, it is written in cardinal we are going to write them in ordinal numbers. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, and so on. So let's practice. Write the following ordinal numbers. So here we are going to write them in ordinal numbers. 23rd, 31st, 11th, 12th, 20th, 9th, and 22nd. Coming back, start at the bus stop, draw a ring around the second monster. So second means not the first one, second. Draw a ring. Draw a line under the sixth monster. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. So under the fifth monster, we have to draw a line. So first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. So this one is 6. Under the 6th, I'm going to draw a line. Tick the third monster. Tick the third monster. So 1, first, second, third. So this one is the third monster, and I'm going to tick the third monster. So let's study an example. A number sequence starts at 58. It counts back in twos and stops at 50. What are the numbers in the sequence? So it started with the 58, 56, 54, 52, and 50. All the numbers have 5 tens and they are even numbers. So yes, when we are counting any number in mostly in twos, so mostly the numbers are in even. It might be odd, depends on the number that we are starting with. A number sequence starts at 37, it counts on in tens and stops at 77. What are the numbers in the sequence? So we are going to write numbers in sequence. It is easy. We have to count in tens starting with 37, 37, 47, 57, 67, and 77. So yes, you have to write it on the line. What can you say about all the numbers in the sequence you wrote for question number 3? So for question number 3, all the numbers are not even, they are odd. You can say, write with me, all the numbers are odd. All the numbers are odd. Moving on to the next question, question number 5. So here we have question number 5. Sophia number sequence is 74, 64, 54, 44, and 34. Complete the descriptions of Sophia's number in sequence. Dash at 74 counts, dash in tens, stops at 34. So Sophia starts at 74, count numbers in tens, and stops at 34. Count numbers in back. Okay, she starts at 74 and she counts backwards in tens. So we can say counts backwards in tens and stops at 34. Okay, that is it. You can, let's go to the next question. That is an example, worked example. So compare 34 and 43, which is greater. "43 has 4 tens, 34 has only 3 tens. So 43 must be greater than 34. I do not need to look at the ones. 34 is closer to 0 than 43. So answer is that 43 is greater number. Here you can see we have divided them in tens and ones. How many tens are there in 43? 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 tens. And in 34, we have 1, 2, 3 tens. So we don't have to look at ones. When we are looking at the numbers, we can see first of all their tens. If the tens are greater than, then it is going to be the greater number. Okay. Which is the greater number? Use a number line or place value to grid to help you. 75 and 57. So here, with the help of stars, I'm going to make in 75. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And in we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 tens in 57 and 7 stars in 75. So let's say we have ones also. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So first of all, I told you when we are looking at the number, first of all, we see at tens, 7 in 75 we have 7 stars, means 7 tens, but in 57 we have 5 heart, means 5 tens. So 75 is greater than 57. Also we can look at the on the number line. So if the number 75 is going to be in the middle of 70 and 80. So here you can write, here is the 75 and 57 is going to be in the middle of, here it will be middle in 60 and 50. So we will say here it can be 57. So 57 is near to 0. So 57 is smaller number. 75 is near to 100. So it is the greater number. Okay, let's move on to the next question. Going to erase the numbers because I don't want that you are. Okay. Here, order these numbers from smallest to the greatest. You could use a place value grid or a number line to help you. Okay, so you know that what is the smallest number? Let's write it in the box. From the smallest to the greatest. So 21. After 2 comes 3. So we will say it is 34. After 3 it comes 4. So we can say 42. 5. There is no number with 5 tens. So we will go on to 6 tens. So 67. And then we have 86. So we started with the smallest to the greatest. So that's all for today's math class. I hope you enjoyed today's lecture. It was easy. Take care and have a nice day.